In this video, we'll be learning how to multiply decimals by a whole number. In our first example, we have 6.3 multiplied by 2. In this example, I have numbers only up to the 10th place. So it's an easy example and we're going to start with that. Whenever you see a multiplication sum written like this, you know that in order to do it correctly, you have to write the numbers on top of each other with the big number on top. So the decimal there is on top and I'm multiplying by 2, I put it underneath. 2 times 3 I know is 6, so I put my 6 down. Next then I have the decimal point, so I drop down the decimal point. 2 times 6 I know is 12, so my answer is 12.6. It's very important that we remember to drop down the decimal point, else the answer will be incorrect. Let's now look at an example where we have a decimal in the tenths and the hundredths place, like 4.21. I have 4.21 multiplied by 3. Whenever it's written like this, I know to do it correctly, I need to write them on top of each other. So I'm going to say 4.21 multiplied by 3. The whole number is always as far right as it can be. It's always under the last decimal place. Here it was the tenths, but in this example it's under the hundredths. 3 times 1 I know is 3. 3 times 2 I know is 6. Next door I see the decimal point, so I'm going to drop it down. 3 times 4 I know is 12. So my answer is 12.63. And in our last example, we have 6.241 multiplied by 4. In this example, I've got decimals in the tenths, hundredths, and the thousandths place. So again, to do it correctly, I need to write them underneath each other. 6.241 multiplied by 4. Again, the 4 is under the last decimal place, which is the thousandths in this case. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, carry a 1. There's my 1, there's my 6, that makes up 16. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 is going to give me 9. My decimal point I need to bring down. 4 times 6, if you're not sure, you write it on the side. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 24. I didn't have any number to carry the 2 to, so I just wrote it down. 24.964 is my answer. If you understand this clearly, then please pause this video now and try these examples in your online journal.